Hi everyone, Bunte again, here back with another message. God said, this car accident was supposed to take me by surprise, but access denied. It missed me. And returned to senders tenfold. My ancestors are balancing this out by telling me everything. A blocked illusion, failed sacrifice. Somebody wanted my intuition blocked so I wouldn't see this. Access denied. I'm moving forward because of how protected I am. I'm receiving justice because of how protected I am. Paying somebody to do death magic on my car? Oh my God, access denied, but returned to senders tenfold. Exposed and transmuted. I did that with the help of my God. Yes, my ancestors are reversing this energy back to you all of y'all that's involved. Don't be stressing now. And I don't want none of y'all apologies ever. Keep the same energy you stepped on. I'm just blessed. God and my ancestors love me and I love them. God don't make no mistakes. Practitioner is passing away for taking the bait. The dirty offer. The whole group, the whole community, the whole practitioners lied. Judgment. Judgment.